Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of our Scotland travel series. Before heading to Scotland, we made a quick stop here in Windermere, a charming little town in England's Lake District. As soon as we get off the bus, we didn't waste a second. We headed straight towards the lake. This is Lake Windermere, and the city actually takes its name from this lake. It's the largest natural lake in England, stretching about 10.5 miles long and nearly 1 mile wide. This lake was formed over 13,000 years ago during the Ice Age, which is why it has that long ribbon-like shape. There are some cafes and restaurants around the lake where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy some leisure time while taking in the beautiful views of Windermere. From above, Windermere looks absolutely magical. We walked along the lakeside for a bit, and trust me, it was just what I needed. So peaceful and refreshing. If you are planning to explore Windermere, there are a few amazing ways to enjoy the lake. You can take a cruise ride, which costs around 17 to 18 pounds per person. If you would like to something a bit more private and fun, you can hire a self-drive electric boat, which required no experience. It costs roughly around 45 to 50 pounds per hour and you can steer your own boat across the lake while enjoying the scenery. And if you're in the mood for something luxurious, there are also yacht hire options where you can relax on the deck while a skipper sails you around the lake, which may cost around 350 pounds for 2 hours. This was our short yet memorable trip around Windermere Lake before continuing our road trip towards Scotland. Stay tuned for the next episode where we are heading deeper into the Highlands, exploring the raw beauty of Scotland. Thank you for watching.